Vlogmas day 13. This one is about Jamie's gone through some tech stuff and it's like an update with that. So let's get into the video.
Welcome back to another tech video, and in today's episode I've got something a little different. I have not brought a console to fix and resell. I've actually got a Nintendo Game Boy, the original one, which has been badly smoke damaged and missing a screen and a battery cover. That's what's happening in today's video. Clean it, fix it, get it working. Right, let's open this Game Boy up, see what we're working with. We'll start with the front side, with the screen and the speakers. Pretty bad. Such a clean won't do. Some rubbing alcohol and cotton swab. We'll go over most of that and using a toothbrush and get all the big lumps of dirt off. I left the Game Boy to soak in soapy water overnight. Got majority of the dirt off, especially on the speakers. And on this one, I've been going at it, some alcohol. Just got to do the back now, but it's looking really good. And these buttons, just got to go over them a little, and everything else I'll give a clean. But now, once I get all this dirt off, using some peroxide cream, I'll put that on the yellowish places on plastic. And that should get rid of the yellow and take it back to its original grey, like this one on here. Now, all you need to get rid of the yellowing is obviously your peroxide cream, gloves, because you don't want to get this stuff in your hands, thin film to later wrap it up so the cream doesn't dissolve or go solid, because you want it to soak into the yellowness and bring it back to its original colour. And obviously sunlight, all you need. It's very straightforward, and also a brush that on. Let's go. So I've cleaned the Game Boy. I got a little excited and forgot to record it. And I replaced the screen, the battery cover, and it's come out really nice. There's a scratch there and it does look a bit yellow, but that's fine. Crash playing PS1. And I bought Dr. Mario to play onto it. When I put it in and turn it on, red light, it's corrupted. So I've got the ports and we'll see what happens there. But overall, it looks really nice. I have been using that Game Boy and it works great. I've stopped the corruption and I've kept putting the game cartridge in and out constantly. And I put it in the last couple of times and it works great. So I say that Game Boy is completely fixed now. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that one. It was a bit different. The next few days I'm going to be doing a Q&A, so get your questions in the comments below. I'll try and answer them. No questions, I'll have to come up with a different video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on day 14.